to the channel. So we're here at Kewfab today, and this is Josh, and Josh is going to do some, well, Josh has done some work on the exhaust, you know, my 3-inch mongoose system on the Cosworth. I've never been happy with the way it fitted, especially where the downpipe came down, and Josh said that you can fit some nice V-clamps. What other work can you do, Josh?
I do a lot of drift stuff, so I do like sort of tubular crash structures, like tube rear ends. This can see that, so I'm jumping out, but yeah. Roll cages, aluminium welding, boost pipes, obviously exhaust systems, general fabrication as well. Yeah,
loads of different fabrication work, but you have started your hand at doing a bit of restoration work, haven't
you?
On cars, a little bit of restoration. So anyone with any old Escorts or Mark 1s or Mark 2 Escorts, you're looking for a nice lad. He's a nice lad, Josh. He's based in Ellesmere Port. Josh. He's based in Ellesmere Port, a company called Kewfab. You find him on, you're on Instagram, aren't you?
Yeah, on Instagram and Facebook as well.
Yeah, sound. Let's have a little look, see what you've done on the car. Alright guys, what we'll do is we'll start at the back and we'll go forward.
Yeah, so we started off by replacing these hangers because they weren't the best. So
oh yeah, it was proper not nice job, like.
Yeah, so we just replaced them, made some nice new ones.
Lovely bit of TIG welding done by Josh.
And then, as you can see here, we've replaced the slip joints with V-bands, just make it a bit easier to remove and refit the exhaust.
I asked Josh to fit these so I can actually remove the back box without having to remove the middle section. When I had the slip joint, you had to remove the full section in one piece, and it was just such a pain in the arse. Plus, I think it'll be a bit easier for me when I've got to polish the exhaust up. So, it's a nice job, nice bit of TIG welding, like, he's a proper man, like, proper fab man. What else did you do, Josh? Come on, lad.
Then, moving forward, we adjusted the sort of position of the exhaust because it was kind of, it was sitting a little bit far over to this part of the car, which was kind of giving a bit tight on clearance.
Yeah.
It was a bit low as well, the way it was seated.
Yeah, plus I wanted it a bit higher, didn't I, Josh?
Yeah,
as you can see, we've been marking the downpipe there every time I go over the speed bump, so I asked Josh to he's made a new one of these, nice and short, and he's putting all the V-band in, so I can remove this middle section quite easily now.
Yeah, and
this is where the magic happened, wasn't it, mate?
Yeah, another issue here was it was touching the chassis here, wasn't it?
This has happened ever since I bought the car. It's never been right, like this 3-inch downpipe.
So it was pretty much the issue is with this section here. It just wasn't quite fitted right. So I just chopped it out, started again with that. Obviously keeping the bends that were already in it.
No, it's lovely now. What I used to have is, I used to have the downpipe hitting the chassis leg and hitting the anti-roll bar. Didn't matter how I had it adjusted on the turbo, I just never sat right. So I'm guessing with Josh redoing this piece and shortening it, making it tighter in, that's cured it, because look at that, we got pure clearance everywhere, both sides.
So it's the closest bit's probably on the box here, but like you say, that
doesn't move, does it? Yeah, it
fine.
doesn't move, it'll move with the gearbox, won't it? No, Josh, you made up, mate. It's a nice job, that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Alright guys, you can find Josh on Instagram at Kewfab. I'll leave the details below. Thanks for looking after the car, Josh. There's not many lads around here that will look after something like this. You know the score. Give us a like, give us a subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one. Laters. Cheers guys.
Cheers.